What up, y'all? This your girl Monica. We're in my hometown, ATL, Atlanta, Georgia. I brought you to my favorite store because, as you all know, the big event is going down. So we're in Jeffrey Barbell trying to get hooked up. Shoes, purse, whole 9 yards. So chill with me. This is a no-no. The dress is beautiful. It's by Wendy Hill, so it would be great for somebody, but I think it's for the more busty, curvy girl. That's not us. And ladies, when it doesn't feel right, it ain't right. We'll get warmer. I have on an Alexander McQueen jacket, and then I have on some Louboutins, which are always good. I can stay in those for hours. Just give me one more shot. You hear me? Third time sometimes is a charm. I would switch a few things up, maybe up in here. And remember, I told you I love the shoes. I think this is a great option. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys which one I'm actually picking. We're going to cut and paste a few more things. You have to watch the red carpet for the BET Awards to see exactly what we put together. But since you joined us here, you got to join us there.